Wave lang. Ana din mo? Okay. Yes. Aston. Yes, Filipino homes, guys. Guys, muna endorser sa YY. Bagong endorser. Yes, welcome to Ribayla Realty. Thank you. Guys, Remax. Hello, sir. Yeah, video. Sorry. Modari Crown Residences, guys, in Tagbilaran City. Co-op na siya, co-op project. Of course, your reliable partner, Primary Homes. Shout out to our president sa Sereb, Ma'am Chin Malaka.
Hi.
And Carcass Realty, guys. They broker housing, Ma'am Levy. Ready na siya for the closing message later. Yes, Boho Landscape, of course. Mark, appeal ka, Mark. Yes, sir. The guy with the green eyes. Yes, hello sa mga taga-UK diha, London. Yes, any message to our London followers?
Fine, I don't like London.
He's in the Philippines now. Yes, hello, Primeland. Shout outs. Yes, the last woman standing from True Life UK. Survived siya sa Titanic, guys, in 1912. Yes, A Machines. Guys, La Priscilla Homes. In Tanglaw, di ba, Maribles? Oh, Dawis. Si Lloyd of C. Okay. Start a relationship, bank relationship with Security Bank. Guys, the ever beautiful Jingwell ang Pagkos broker appraiser. So magpa-appraise mo na mo sa Bohol. Contact us.
Yes.
Yes, hello. Good day. Good morning, everyone. CLI Sibulan Master Sir Gab of Horizons Realty. Hello, Bolanos.